Thanks a lot, Vivek, for that. It's time to welcome Shrikant Chouhan of Kotak Securities for a technical check on the markets. Shrikant, it's a day where we are seeing yesterday's gains being reversed as well. Bank Nifty is the one which is the underperformer today. What are the charts suggesting? We also have the financial services weekly expiry today.
Yeah, good afternoon. I think, the markets are clearly not going anywhere. They are between the broader range of 18,250 and 17,750 on the downside, but it is becoming more and more volatile. After breaching the level of 17,900, I think again we are heading towards the levels of 17,750. But the real trend will emerge when the market will break the level of 17,750. So in case if we see the market is dropping to below that particular level, then we may see the levels of 17,300 or 200. The way the events are lined up, I think the markets are eventually heading for those levels. That's the overall view. On the higher side, I think now 18,000, 18,100 is going to act as major resistance for the market, and especially for the Bank Nifty. It is consistently finding resistance since last 2 to 3 days. Even when the market was doing well, Bank Nifty was down and it has formed lower top formation. So based on the formation, I think it is heading for the levels of at least 41,000, where it had support of 200-day simple moving average. So broadly, we are expecting Nifty to fall towards 17,500 or 300, and for the Bank Nifty, 41,000.
Nifty headed to 17,500 and the Nifty Bank to 41,000. Shrikant, individual stocks, your recommendations?
Yeah, I think if we really to take any view in this particular market on any specific stock, then we need to look for mid-cap companies because they are doing really well. Stock-specific activity is certainly there in the market, and number of stocks like Mahindra CI, which has broken its all-time highest level, and now it is like trading into new highs, even though the markets are down. So there are like few companies. Zydus Life is the stock on which technically we are bullish. We are expecting stock to move towards the levels of 500 or 520. It is forming cup with handle formation, so it's a buy at current levels. With the stop loss at 430 on the downside, we are expecting stock to move towards 500 or 530. The other stock which we like is SRF, and I think here the stock is forming double bottom sort of formation. Volumes are also there. From current levels, the stock can easily move to the levels of 2400. So SRF is also a buy at current levels with a stop loss at 2200.
Okay, all right. So those are some stock recommendations. Shrikant, thanks a lot for joining us and taking us through your technical bets as well. Let's do one thing, slip into a short break. Up next, we'll connect with Gulam Zia, the Senior Executive Director at Knight Frank, to discuss their recent report.